Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everyone. My name is Bintang Ramadan.
And I'm Auriza Pandu.
This time we will present simulation text for controlling the speed of a 12-volt DC motor based on the Arduino Uno microcontroller using the Proteus software and the Arduino IDE program. The component used consists Arduino Uno. For resistor, it's worth 100 ohms and 3 resistor worth 1000 ohms. Transistor, 2-pole relay, battery, 2 optocoupler, DC motor, and blue LED. In the graph that we made, firstly, when the switch 1 has not been pressed, switch 2 will always have low value. Even though it has been pressed, then when the switch 1 in turn on, then the switch 2 can turn on. When the switch 2 is low, the what happen is the motor rotates counterclockwise, and the vice versa is switch 2 has a high value, then the motor rotates clockwise.
The first step starts with adding the Arduino Uno component into the Proteus simulation. Next, create an indirect input circuit by connecting the push button that is assembled with power, resistor, optocoupler, and ground to the input pin. The Arduino output pin is connected to a resistor and then connected to a transistor that function as a connector or breaker and a relay with a 5-volt setting as a safety because the voltage from the battery exceeds the Arduino voltage capacity. After that, the two DC motor pins are connected to two different relay outputs, where then from the relay pole, the output is forward to grounding. The positive pin of the battery is connected to the input pole relay and transistor, while the other pin is connected to grounding. After the device in Proteus is assembled, the next step is to create a program using the Arduino IDE software that will be transferred to the Arduino Uno in the Proteus simulation.
After the device in Proteus is assembled, the next step is to create the program using Arduino Uno IDE, which following are the details of the program that we create. Is first to define the description that is connected to pin 13 and 12. In the circuit on the DC motor, then for pin A0 and A1 are the circuit connected to switch, and pin A0 is for switch 1 and pin A1 is for switch 2. Then after getting the coding result, enter them into the Arduino Uno by copying this Arduino coding result below width and width hex. Then after the double click on the Arduino Uno on Proteus, and the program file enter the link has been copied and click OK. Then run the program. It can be seen that the program has been successfully. If we press switch 2 without turning on the first switch, they will be not happen. We have to turn on switch 1 first. Then after switch 1 turn on, we can press the switch 2. Switch 2 is high condition when the DC motor will rotate counterwise clockwise and the vice versa is switched to its low condition, then will be DC motor will rotate counterclockwise.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.